creating value through operations. To understand a firm's production process, we must know what kinds of benefits its production provides, both for itself and for its customers. Production, of course, provides business with the economic results, profits, wages, and goods purchased from the other companies. At the same time, it provides consumers with utility, the ability of a product to satisfy a want or a need. Although production can contribute to all four kinds of utility time, place, possession, and form its role in two areas is most obvious. It provides time utility by making products available when consumers want them, and form the utility by converting raw materials and human skills into finished goods and services. Because the term production has been long associated with manufacturing, writers have recently replaced it with operations, a term reflecting both service and goods production. Operations production management is the system direction and the control of the process that transforms resources into finished services. Goods that create value for provide benefits to the customers. I beg your pardon, please. In overseeing production managers are responsible for ensuring that operation process create value and provide benefits. Some operation managers work in factories, others work in offices, and some of them also work in stores. Farmers are also operation managers who create utility by transforming soil, seeds, fuel, and other inputs into soya beans, milk, and other outputs. They may hire crews of the workers to plant or harvest, opt instead of automated machines to prefer some combination of the workers and machinery. So these farmers are also the operations managers. The decisions affect the cost and the role of the building and equipment in operations, the quality and the quantity of goods produced there. Operations process. An operations process is a set of methods and technologies used to produce a good or a service. We classify types of production according to the differences in operations processes. We can classify goods by asking whether an operations process combines resources or breaks them into component parts. We can also classify services according to the extent of the customer's contact required. Goods manufacturing process, analytic versus synthetic processes. Well, all goods manufactured processes can be classified into analytic processes or the synthetic processes. And the other transformation processes. An analytic process breaks down into the resources and the components as Tyson reduces whole chickens to packaged parts for the customer's counter. A synthetic process combines raw material to produce a finished product such as GE shaped steel to produce refrigerator, then adds motors, uh, lights, bulbs, and shelves, finally packages the complete refrigerator in a shipping consignment. Well, then there are uh, processes, extent of the customer contact. In classifying services, we may have a production system. In answering the question, we classify services according to the contract of the customers, according to the desire of the customer's contact. High contact processes. Think about your local public transit system. The service is transportation, and when you purchase transportation, you board a bus or a train. The Bay Area Rapid Transition System, the Bay Area Rapid Transit System connects San Francisco with outlying suburbs like a public transit system. It's a high contract system. That provides us the transport at an immediate basis. To receive the service, the customers must be the part of the system. Thus, the manager must worry about the cleanliness of the trains, appearance of the train stations or bus stations. By contrast, a firm that ships coal is not concerned with the appearance of its trains. It is a low contact system. Those who transport coal are a low contact system, and those who transport passengers are the high context systems.